So this is what my hair is looking like, and it's just frizz, frizz, frizz.
Little.
Good morning, it is Naturally Z, and it is Saturday morning, about 7:50 in the morning, getting ready to go to the gym. But first I have to take my hair down, so let's go ahead and do that. Today is the end of another week for my hair. Tomorrow I'll be washing it, and this is what my hair is looking like. A lot more puffier. Alright, so let's just go with that. Show my hair a little bit later after working out this morning and playing paddle tennis, and just give you an idea of how my physical activity, weather, and things like that affect my hair. Okay, so until later, this is Naturally Z signing out. Peace. Alright, so I'm back from, it's still Saturday, and it is 11 in the morning, and I just got back from the gym. Did a cycle class. I teach cycling classes, but I also take the class at the same time. So this is what my hair is looking like following that, and it's just frizz, frizz, frizz. I'm not really disappointed. I don't feel one way or another about it. It's my hair, but I am going out tonight, so I want to get my hair looking a little bit better than this. So what I'm gonna do is recondition my hair, restyle it with Butterlicious curls from Creme of Nature, and simply going to re-wet my hair, section it off, and put it into 2-strand twist ends, go out with my day and take them down later and just see what happens. I don't know exactly what to do with my hair still, so I'm still experimenting and seeing what type of results I get. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take some Butterlicious curls product and some water. See, my hair is just pretty much a frizz.
Ryan Little.
Wet it. Okay. Wet it, take some of this. Get that. And my hair should be mostly dry within 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to be outside in the sun. It will help to dry my hair. Here we go. Last 2-strand twist. Okay, so here we go. Got my twist, and I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like later on. All right, so I'm gonna go off and play some paddle tennis, and I'll be back later. Okay, stay tuned. All right, welcome back. It is still Saturday, and it is actually 5:30 p.m. I played paddle tennis. It was a gorgeous day today. The sun was out. It was kind of hot. And now I chilled for a little bit, played for about, okay, let me slow it up. I played for about 2 to 3 hours, came home, chilled, ate some pizza, and then I took a shower. That's why I'm looking fresh. And now the last thing I need to do, I put a little makeup on. Now the last thing I need to do is take care of my hair. So this is what I left home with, putting the Butterlicious Curls Cream in my hair. And I forgot to say, this is what it says it does. Okay. This is when you know you're over 50, when you need reading glasses. It says here, for all curl types and transitioners, no frizz, no shrinkage, no dryness. It's Butterlicious Curls Curl Hydrating Cream to moisturize or rehydrate natural hair. So let's see what it does. Now, in order to minimize the frizz, even though it says no frizz, I am going to take some oil to minimize the frizz. Okay. So basically what I'm doing right now is just taking the 2-strand twist ends that I put together this morning out. So it looks really good. So maybe what I'll start doing now is in the middle of the week, I'll do a reconditioning of my hair, just like I've done here. Okay, so I have my curl pattern back, and that is simply from putting the Butterlicious Curl product in my hair. I love it. So since this morning, this is what Butterlicious Curls can do in a few hours, even while working out, being outside all day. I had my hair in the 2-strand twist ends and took them out, and now I have this. So I like it. And I'm ready to go out to dinner. All right, so that's what we have, and I like it. As always, I wish it was a little bit longer. I wish this was here, but it will get there. And I'm going to continue to film until my hair is to here, to chin length. So until then, this is what I'm happy with, and I like it. So get your Butterlicious curls. If you see that your hair is frizzing up and you need a midweek moisturizer, use Cream of Nature Butterlicious Curls Curl Hydrating Cream, and this will recapture your curly coily pattern that you're looking for. Okay, with that said, I'm out. Hope you have a good night. Hope you take care of yourself both mentally and physically. And until later, this is Naturally Z signing out. Peace. All right. Yeah, I could touch my hair all day, but let's stop.